Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Recaps with your boy PJ. Alright, let's get to it. So, today we're going to be taking a look at 2 days worth of trades that I took, which is on the 1st of October and the 2nd of October. So, let's see. The 1st of October, the gold pulse zone was in the downtrend, and in hourly extremes, the low of the hourly extreme was taken out. There was two transition shift to the upside, which made me bullish. So, I was looking in for a buy. But this one trade made me lose $108 because I went in 4 contracts than my usual 2 contracts. That is because my PNL was above 500, so I gave my that was a good cushion to have for me to move to a higher contract. But whenever I move to a higher contract, I seem to get stopped stopped out. All right, never mind. It's okay. So this was a pretty good lesson from the. I learned a very good lesson from this trade, which is to not place limit orders. Always use market execution. So what happened here is I was bullish. The volatility pivot got retested. The green exhaustion band got retested, but I placed my limit order over here. So what happened is price poof, it flew down, hit my limit order, hit my stop loss, and I was a victim to slippage as well. So around this trade, I lost around $116. Yep. So, but it's okay. I learned something valuable, not to place limit orders. And then there was this one trade. This one was according to my strategy. I would say this is like an A minus or a B plus setup. I won't give it an A plus because I should wait for one more break of structure, but I only entered based on one transition shift to the downside. So what happened here is transition shift break of the same thing. Never mind. So what happened here is there was a transition shift to the downside over here. The volatility pivot got retested over here, and then the red exhaustion band got retested over here. I was waiting for an engulfing candlestick, and there was one, and I entered for a sell, but it hit stop loss. But it's okay, no problem. It was according to my strategy, and I wholeheartedly accept this again me getting stopped out. So let's get to the 2nd of October, guys. Yes, sir. Okay, the Indian accent is coming out. The hell, bro. Okay. On on the 2nd of October, the gold pulse zone was in an uptrend, and then the hourly extremes high got taken out over here. So what happened then is I was waiting for a transition shift to the upside, and then boom, there was also a transition shift to the upside. There was two transition shifts actually, one and two. Okay, so and then for this one I did not use the RSI. I used the ATR only. So I mean ATR volatility pivot did not get retested. Oh, I see what I did here. Okay, on this trade I was a bit emotional because of the two loss I faced yesterday on the day before. So I saw this big as engulfing candlestick, this big as engulfing candlestick, I entered for a buy. Yeah, I'm a dumbass, guys. I'm a it's okay, never mind, just leave it be. This one trade, I think I only entered one contract though because I knew I was being a dumbass, so I only entered one contract. So that hit stop loss, and then there was two break of structures transition shift to the downside. This made me completely bearish, and then price went up. The RSI retested the red exhaustion band. I went in for a sell, and boom, 1 to 2 RR. He hit my take profit, and this one I entered like 4 or 5 contracts. Yeah, 5 contracts, 5 contracts, and then boom, hit take profit, and I was about oh yeah, that was a good trade. Like this one trade covered my whole like all of those stop loss. Yeah, so pretty good. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Okay, I should probably stop. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.